Today, we are introducing America's 365. America's 365 is an online auction that is just as exciting as the real thing. Here is a quick tutorial on how to utilize this platform. To get started, visit us online at AAA365.live. Log in using your Edge Pipeline credentials. Once logged in, you will be on the America's 365 homepage. In the upper left-hand corner, next to the logo, you will see a menu bar that includes Buy, Sell, Pending, and Finished. For today, our focus will be on the Buy menu. Click on the Buy menu. From here, click on the Run List tab to preview available inventory for the upcoming sale. On the left-hand side, you have your filter function, which allows you to filter vehicles by all, your consigned vehicles, auto bids, watching, and recommended. As you scroll down, you will see more filter functions. Once your filters are set, you can scroll through the inventory. Click on a vehicle to access the vehicle detail page, which shows you pictures, condition report, seller disclosures, and more. From here, you can set an auto bid. When you set an auto bid, you will be automatically put in on that vehicle when it is offered for sale. America's 365 live auctions are held every Tuesday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. To attend the live auction, click on the Live Auction tab. Here you will see the vehicles that are available to purchase. To place a bid on a vehicle, select the white bid button and confirm your bid. Scroll down to view the upcoming vehicles. You can view a vehicle condition report by clicking on a particular vehicle. From here, you can place an auto bid on that vehicle. If you need to remove an auto bid, click on the red Remove Auto Bid button. We encourage you to set notifications for your America's 365 account. To set your notifications, click in the upper right-hand corner to access your account. From here, you can select your notification preferences.